जब लग गुरु मिले न साचा, तब लग गुरु करो 10 पांचा।
Can one change Guru? Is it a sin to changing a Guru? After all, who is the right Guru in this path of spirituality? Who is the Tattvadarshi saint mentioned in the Gita? To know the answer to all these questions, please listen the nectar words of Jagat Guru Tattvadarshi, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, based on the holy scriptures of all religions.
How will he give? Like when this servant took initiation, there was a plot. That plot was purchased for rupees 4,000. And within 2 years, after 1.5 years, a bypass was made around it. This servant did some construction in that. So that entire construction would have been the expenses of at the most 20,000 rupees, and someone came to pay 1.5 lakh and confirmed registry was done in 1.5 lakh. Now see, at that time, 20 years ago, from today, and how number one money was given, and it cannot be saved in an entire age as much God did it in 1.5 years. Do not know what he can do, from where. Then he started giving so much wealth that I had to fold hands to God, because God has also told the demerits of this wealth. There is no requirement of this wealth. This should be demanded so much from Almighty.
कि साईं इतना दीजिए जिसमें कुटुंब समावे, हम भी भूखे ना रहें, अतिथि ना भूखा जावे.
If you demand more than this, then it would become problematic to you. And when God will be with you, then there will not be any crisis. So the point is, the worldly pleasures that you will get here will be free of cost. That will happen in Runga. What is Runga? As earlier, we used to see the outsiders used to go to our village, some vegetable seller or kachori seller, some mango seller. So what our aunt, mother, grandmother used to do, they used to deal and put wheat. As wheat was put in one part of the scale, then they used to ask, how will you give? 2 times means twice in turn of wheat I will weigh and give this much mangoes. That was weighed. Then they used to say that give Runga as well. What is Runga? The deal is done, that is free, give more. If someone says, then I will not give Runga, then we will not take from you. So give Runga first. So he used to give 1 or 2 more mangoes. It was free. That was called Runga. So, pious souls, our deal is the attainment of salvation. We are weighing and giving you the deal of salvation, and it will be given in Runga, the happiness and facilities you need here. That is, Runga means as you sowed wheat. What is the purpose? My children should not die starving. My family should get food. But along with it, the straw will happen on its own. That straw will surely be made. So, pious souls, this is that devotion in which you will get wealth from straw, along with life will also be saved. That wheat will be obtained means you will attain salvation. Now Ramanandji thought, brother, this child talks great and does not know well. Let us know some secret from him. He said, child, you remain quiet for some time. Swamiji is talking from behind the curtain that you keep quiet and sit outside. I will do my worship for some time. I have not done my Nitya Niyam today. His Nitya Niyam was that he used to do Karma Kand, but used to do mentally. How is Karma Kand done? As they prepare Lord Vishnuji's idol of stone or brass or of whatever with reverence, in morning they would remove all clothes of God and bathe the idol with pure water, wear it clean cloth, and from below wrap dhoti and wear it kurta and crown, and along with put 1 kanthi of 1 tulsi bead in the neck and apply the tilak to God. All activities which are done in Vaishnav tradition, Ramananji used to do like this every day, like lifting the pot of Ganga water to make his mentality believe he has made such an outlook, such a method. That belief in God should remain the old man as it is a dream like this. There is a mental service and worship like Swamiji had gone to Ganga. There he filled the vessel and kept on his head. He is coming to bathe God. He is imagining, assuming he bought and kept. He took off God's clothes of the imaginary idol, took off all clothes and gave a bath with affection. He wore it all clean clothes and applied the tilak and put the crown. That day he forgot to wear kanthi. As a seen in the dream, entire kanthi is visible separately. It was his daily practice. Now Swamiji thought, brother, today I did not put kanthi to God. And after putting the crown, it cannot be taken out. That day, if it is uncrowned, then the worship gets fragmented. It can only be taken out the next day at the time of taking bath. And if kanthi is not put, then the worship is incomplete. That is also fragmented. There is no benefit. Ramananji became very sad. He tried to put a garland by lifting the crown and put it from inside in the neck, but it stuck in the crown and it did not come in front. Now Ramananji is cursing himself that which sin of mine has risen today. God, I forgot it in the entire life today. Which sin of mine, the sinner has risen today. He was getting very upset. Now if there is even a little obstacle in the devotion of a devotee, then this becomes his condition. When his devotion starts running smoothly, then a gap of even one day bothers him. He is getting very upset. God is standing in 5 years outside Kabirji, Kabir Sahib, that Paramakshar Brahma, knower of everything. The curtain is fixed ahead. He is doing mental worship. He is imagining it all. And God from outside tells that, Swami Ghundi Kholkar, Tab Mala Galadar. He said, Swamiji, open its knot. And after opening the knot, put it in the neck and tie the knot again. The crown need not be taken out. Hoi hoi. Swamiji immediately thought that there is nothing in form outside. I have put the curtain. And the child standing outside tells he is God, is divine, whom I was searching for.
Swami Ghundi Kholkar फिर माला गल डारे, गरीबदास इस मेरी भक्ति को हो केवल जान सके करतार.
Ramananji thought that only God can know in which confusion I was in this worship. No second one can understand. God has come. Now pious souls, it is said,
डोडी पर्दा दूर कर.
It was removed, the curtain was thrown.
लीना कंठ लगा.
He embraced God, the old man of 104 years, Brahman, to the child of a Shudra. The entire Brahman society was present there, the audience, viewers in thousands, and they had come with this purpose that Ramananji will beat, will scold, and will say that I did not give a mantra, I hate Shudras. He was had put the curtain. And the entire Brahman society was standing there. And Swamiji, that Brahman, Shudra weaver, embraced him. Now, pious souls, he is called Brahman.
ब्राह्मण सोए जो भगवान पहचाने, ब्राह्मण सोए जो ब्रह्म पहचाने, पंडित सोए जो पिंड की जाने.
Now they say, deal when it's time. Damn to such fake knowledge as Ramananji did not look at the society and looked at God. He did not see towards the world and desired God. He was making efforts for that, and God is standing in front. Then care for the world, then there is no worthless person like him. It is said he did not see anything. Now what is said?
डोडी पर्दा दूर कर लीना कंठ लगाए, गरीबदास गुजरी बहुत जब बदन बदन मिलाए.
When a Brahman touched the body with the body of a weaver when 600 years ago untouchability was at its peak, It is said in mind it happened bad to him. This mind is a master, it keeps engaged in nuisance. It is said it happened very badly to him. What will society say to him? It will litter on you, will hate, will be the subject of criticism. This mind is the agent of Kal, but the soul is of God. It did not agree with him and he embraced him that let them say whatever they have to say. For whom I'm struggling, for whom I lost my entire life, he's standing in front. And now I should do tantrums. No one is as wicked as me. And then God, because this entire knowledge was also to be told, others were also made to understand. Ramananji thought again, what is said?
मन की पूजा तुम लखी मुकुट माल परवेशे गरीब दास गत कौन लखे है तेरा कौन वरण कौन बेखे.
Now Ramananji said, Man ki puja tum lakhi. You saw my mental worship, you are God, Mukut Mal Parvesh. That garland got stuck in the crown, you told the method. How did you see you are God? Ramananji said, O God, how can we recognize you? In which community means you are standing in the weaver community. And in which dress a small child is standing wearing a dhoti. And a cap, a small child is standing wearing a dhoti and cap, a 5-year-old child. How will this world accept you as God? Almighty, how you can be identified? Now you open my intellect. Now I am accepting you.
मन की पूजा तुम लखी मुकुट माल परवेश दास गरीब गति को लखे है कौन वरण कौन भेख.
Kaun varan, kaun bhek. In which dress and caste you are standing? Oy hoy.
या तो तुम शिक्षा दे मान ले मन मोरे गरीब दास कोमल पुरसी हमरा बदन कठोरे.
When he embraced Almighty Ramananji to God, the body was like cotton. Oy hoy. Absolutely like cotton, because Shukram Akayam Asanaviram was not like this of flesh and bones. His body was highly radiant. So Ramananji says, that God, I have understood your knowledge. You wanted to remove my arrogance of caste and creed. Today I have understood. And God, my body is like Bajra, hard, and your body is soft. You truly are God. Now Ramananji thought, because it is mind, God again left it loose, that let it jump again. Now Ramananji said, child, tell me one thing. Why did you lie? God said, what did I lie? Tell me. Ramananji said that yesterday you said in front of them that you have taken initiation from me. What evidence do you have? God said, yes, I have taken initiation from you. And what is the evidence? Ramananji said, tell which mantra did I give you? You remember I was lying on the stairs of the Ganga river. You went, your footwear hit my head. I was crying, you said, son, say Ram Ram, say Ram Ram. Happiness happens with Ram name. And you made me a disciple and I became your disciple. Ramananji said that he was a small child because there is a double difference in the body of a child of 2.5 years and 5 years. Ramananji said that he was not the child of this much age. It was a recent matter of 10 days ago. Yes. Then God said there was a cot of a servant outside the hut. God acquired another form of a 2.5 years old child and lied down on the bed and is standing in the form of a 5-year-old child. God said, look, Swamiji, I was like this. Now Swamiji looked like this 6 times and looked like this 6 times, rubbed eyes and saw again. In the meantime, the body of the child got up from there and got absorbed in the body of the 5-year-old child. Yet this Kal is crooked. Ramananji asked, brother, I will do complete clearance. He said, child, I do not give Ram mantra. I give some other mantra. God said, you give Om Bhagavate Vasudevaya mantra. Yes, I give this, but how do you know? Now there was no need to say this. God said, Hey Swami, Srishta mein Srishti hamre tir. Then he said, child, I also give one kanthi. That kanthi is not in your neck. God has put it inside the shirt. He took it out and showed, look, this is the kanthi. Ramananji said, kanthi, yes. You had put this in my neck that day in Ganga Ghat. Oh, Ramananji understood that there is no requirement now to speak useless. There is no need to discuss further. He kept quiet and sat down. God said, Swamiji, this life of yours has been a waste. Your practice and devotion is not correct. I have come here for you. You have served me a lot in 2 eras. For that reward, I have come for you. Your practice is wrong. You are not familiar with Gita Ji. You are not familiar with Vedas. You tell God to be formless. Vedas tell God to be in form. You have read Gita Ji? Yes, then. He said, child, once we will sit in solitude. They sat in seclusion on Ganga pier. Only 20-30 devotees were left. Rest all went hitting their head. The entire Brahmin society stood when Ramananji hugged that child of Aviva. All those audience thought, brother, he is totally gone. He destroyed respect. He isn't worthy to remain in the Brahmin religion. All fake got up. Now God and soul 5-4 devotees and 10-20 devotees remained there. Now God said, what do you practice? Whom do you believe to be God? Ramananji said, I believe Lord Vishnuji to be respected. Now Ramananji remembered all scriptures verbally. He was 104 years old. He was engaged in devotion from the age of 16 years. He was born in a Brahmin house. Puranas, Vedas, Gita Ji used to be with them since childhood. So Ramananji has crammed all mantras of the Vedas and the Gita Ji. He remembered all the episodes of Puranas. God asked him, which state of Vishnuji do you believe? What is his situation? Does his birth and death happen or not? Swamiji said, no, he is eternal, immortal. He is omniscient. He only acquires the form of Brahma. Vishnu himself nurtures, destroys and creates. God said that in the Srimad Devi Bhagavat, 3rd Skand, Lord Vishnu is himself saying he is worshipping Durga on page 123. At present on page 123. It has been published from Gita Press, Gorakhpur. There is a description. Lord Vishnu is himself saying, you are pure figure. This whole world is arising from you only. I, Brahma and Shankar, exist by your grace. Our birth and death happens. Our Avirbhav and Tirobhav, birth and death happen. We are not immortal. Lord Shankar also said the same, that when Brahmaji is your son Durga, then I am also your son. Means all three have been born from Durga. You say they do not have a mother and father. And Swamiji remembered Puran. He understood in 1 minute that child, it has been written like this. Then Ramananji says, I concentrate. His knowledge was dicey, which means he failed here. He said, I do meditation. I practice yoga. I see God in the state of meditation. What do you see? I see light. How is God? He is formless. He is not seen. God's light can be seen. God said, well, gentlemen, someone says the light of the sun is seen. Sun is formless. Is this statement correct? Without the sun, whose light will you see? He kept quiet. On one hand, you have made Lord Vishnu's idol. Lord Vishnu is in form, he is a deity. Then you believe God to be formless. Then who is your Vishnuji? What is his situation? Now, how will this old paint of 104 years be removed easily? God said, where will you go by worshipping Lord Vishnu Ji? I will go to heaven. I will go to Vishnu Lok. There is a very beautiful heaven is made. I will stay there comfortably. There I will get a beautiful body. There I will get the body like deities. There are all the facilities, all luxuries. God Kabir Ji asked, for how many days will you stay in heaven? Now he was a scholar, he knew. Swamiji Ramanand Ji said, till my virtues will remain. After your virtues will finish, then Swamiji, where will you go? Do not know in which life form I will go. Then what happiness? Damn happiness. There you will eat the butter of your happiness for 10 years, 20 years, then you will become a donkey here. What is this practice? There is another God. It has been clarified in Gita Ji chapter 15 verse 16 and 17. Kshar Purush, Akshar Purush, Uttam Purush tu Anya hai. Kshar Purush is this Brahm, and these three are these sons of Brahm in which you are the worshipper of one. They themselves say our birth and death happen. You believe in Gita Ji? Yes, I do believe. Who spoke Gita Ji? Sri Krishna Ji. Who said Swami Ramanand Ji? God said no. Kal is speaking by entering in Sri Krishna Ji. God told entire detail. Ramanand Ji started getting circles. Oh, it is amazing. I had seen this knowledge to date, but it could not be understood. Everything is there in our books. And in Gita Ji chapter 4 verse number 5 and 9, chapter number 2 verse number 12, and at other places, the knowledge giver of Gita says that Arjuna, you and I have had several births. You do not know, I know. The birth and deeds are supernatural. Now Ramanand Ji absolutely got scared as the intellect becomes numb. His brainwashed. It's amazing. You read Vedas as well? Yes, I do read. Gita Ji is the summary of Vedas. You recite Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya mantra. Yes, and what else do you chant? Hare Ram Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Radhe Radhe Sham, Sham Sham Radhe Radhe, Sita Ram Radhe Radhe Sham Bilade. All these were told. God said there is just one mantra Om in Gita Ji and Vedas. Apart from this, if you chant any other mantra or practice, it is against scriptures. It has been said in Gita Ji chapter number 16 verse 23 that those who do arbitrary conduct by avoiding scriptural method worship arbitrarily. It is useless. Neither they get happiness nor attainment, and not even they get any power useless. It has been said in 24th verse of chapter 16, Arjun, in the state of what should be done and what should not be done, scripture is the only evidence. Believe whatever has been written in scriptures. If someone tells a legend, then don't believe in actions of that saint. What has to be done and what is not to be done, the decision has to be taken from scriptures about what to do and what not. Swamiji became numb. Yet this mind does not stop. It is a firm master. Now what does he say? Child, I do meditation and reach very high in the state of meditation. God said, I will tell about your meditation. Now what discussion happens with Ramanand Ji? I will tell a little speech of God before that. What does God say to Ramanand Ji? E Swami tum swarg ki. Oi hoy. God liberated that dear soul by becoming a disciple, by making him a guru. It is said,
रामानंद से लक्ष गुरु और तारे से इसके भाई और चेला की तो गिनती नहीं जो पद में रही समाये.
Target guru like Ramanand Ji, Lakshya Guru means he has made a target. He does not believe anyone superior to Vishnu Ji. And God even changed his target it is said that Ramanand se Laksha Guru Tare Shishya ke bhai means by becoming his disciple, he liberated him, reached near him and told knowledge. Now he can only listen. By becoming a disciple, he can be set only by seeing so many activities and spectacles. Then he became eligible to listen to the knowledge. Otherwise he was so arrogant. Ramanandji does not use to listen to anyone because he himself was proved to be a great scholar. The blind amongst the blinds was the head.
ए स्वामी तुम स्वर्ग की छाड़ो आसारीत, गरीबदास तुम कारणे हम उतरे शब्द अतीत.
As you are told in Vedas, Rigved Mandal number 9, Sukt number 86, Mantra 26-27, Rigved Mandal number 9, Sukt 82, Mantra 1-2-3, and Sukt 20, Mantra 1, and at various other places, it has been written that God meets his good souls. He comes with speed from Satlok, from his native place, from that third abode of liberation. Here God is telling his reference, making it clear.
ए स्वामी तुम स्वर्ग की छोड़ो आसारीत, गरीबदास तुम कारणे हम उतरे शब्द अतीत.
Pious souls, for you I have come walking from Satlok. What does Ramanandji says?
सुन बच्चा मैं स्वर्ग की कैसे छोड़ूं रीत, गरीबदास गुदरी लगी ही जन्म गया मेरा बीत.
Now what does Ramanandji say? That it has been told in chapter 15 verse 4, after the enlightened saint is found, then the ultimate position of that God should be found, having gone where seekers do not come back. And Swamiji, you will go to Vishnu Lok, then will come back. I am that enlightened saint. I am Jagat Guru. He explained a lot, and he says what Ramanandji said. Char mukti baikuntha mein jinke mere chah. I have desire. There are 4 liberation in Lord Vishnu's world. I have a desire for those. God said the happiness obtained to you from those 4 liberation is also mortal. He was agreeing to this and was a scholar because he is sensible. It is easy to make him understand. A clumsy person who does not know scriptures, and neither does he have his knowledge, if he is made to understand, then he will only say no. He only protests. But this pious soul knows the scriptures and agrees to all that God used to tell, because all words of God were true. So here it is said,
चार मुक्ति बैकुंठ में जिनकी मोरे चाह, गरीबदास घर अगम की कैसे पाऊं था.
Now here a question came,
कि सुन बच्चा मैं स्वर्ग की कैसे छोड़ूं रीत, और गरीबदास गुदरी लगी मेरा जन्म गया सब बीत.
Now God said, Swamiji, the practice you are doing is useless, because Brahma ji, Vishnu ji, Shiv ji, Rajgun Brahma, Satgun Vishnu, Tamgun Shiv ji come in other deities, It has been clearly written in Gita ji from 12 to 15 and 20, 21, 22 till 23. Those who worship these other deities, those foolish people, spoil their life. Swamiji knew, yes, it has been written like this. They cannot relieve you from birth and death, and it has been infinite births. You are practicing this. You went to heaven, became king, became deity, then came again. The cycle did not finish. The practice that this servant will tell you, you accept this, your welfare will happen. So the problem arose to Ramanandji that if I start your practice, then my earlier one might not destroy, and tomorrow if I die, then what will happen to me? God said, your death will also be in my hand. When you will tell with your wish, then your death will happen. Death won't come near. And it is said,
जीवन तो थोड़ा ही भला जै सत्य सुमरण हो, और ये लाख वर्ष का जीवना लेखद रहनी कोई.
this previous birth is a waste, and you do not have to have any benefit from it. God made him familiar with everything that
कि इंद्र कुबेर ईश की पदवी ब्रह्मा वरुण धर्मराया, विष्णुनाथ के लोक को जाकर तो फिर जन्म मरण में आया.
Then what is the use? He understood there is no benefit of this. Now the problem is of your death. Death will not happen until I will tell. Ramananji lived for 150 years by the grace of the Almighty. I will narrate further.
चार मुक्ति बैकुंठ में जिनकी मेरे चा, गरीबदास घर अगम की मैं कैसे पाऊं था। हेम रूप जहाँ धरती है रत्न जड़े बहु शोभे, कह रामानंद बैकुंठ को तन मन मेरा लोभे।
What was our previous thinking? Target purpose was that why am I going there? I will stay there in heaven comfortably. There the earth of the world of Vishnuji is white and there are beautiful Vaikunt.
शंख चक्र गदा पद्म है ये मोहन मदन मुरार, गरीबदास मुरली बाजे उस स्वर्ग लोक दरबार।
Ramananji is telling the example glory of heaven that I will have an audience of Lord Vishnu. There is conch chakra mace padam in his hand and there are unfragmented murli sounds. God said, when your conch chakra mace padam one will die, then whom will you see? Ramananji said, yes, it is correct. So look at the immortal whom you can always see. And the servant has come with the way of that eternal. He himself was God, but was playing a double role here as a 5-year-old child. If God will remain with us for many days, then we will reject him as well. Our intellect is so ruined, therefore. God, by hiding something and telling truth, has explained this Kal's trap. Ramananji is glorifying heaven.
दूधों की नदियां बहें वह श्वेत वृक्ष शोभाने, गरीबदास मंडल मुक्ति ही स्वर्गापुरी स्थान। रत्न जड़ाऊ मनुष्य हैं गण गंधर्व सब देवे, गरीबदास उस धाम की मैं कैसे छोड़ूं सेवे।
Now till it got stuck, he says, Ramananji, that rivers of milk flow, and there are white trees beautiful and happiness giving. And how can I leave that heaven place? There are very nice humans with gemstone bodies, as here many children have moles and they look even better. In heaven the bodies of deities automatically have pearls which enhance their beauty. So Ramananji says like this, that there I will get a beautiful body like deities, there will be gemstones on my body, I will look very beautiful. God said, for how many days you will remain in that beautiful body, Swamiji? Yes, I will stay for a few days as there will be time. Then what will you blow off that gemstone? When it won't remain like that, it is like this and same as that, then what is the difference in that? After destroying your wealth, then you come here and you will become an animal. Yes. It is like this. Now God is also giving decisive knowledge, but this old paint, that fake one, is not removed easily. So more effort is done for that. The servant has to apply this sandpaper, this entire story has to be told, all evidence has to be given. Then the original paint will be like this on you, that the second will not be applied on this. Now what is told?
रग यदुश्याम अथर्वण ये गाँव है चारों वेद, गरीबदास घर अगम अगम की कैसे जानो भेद। चार मुक्ति चितवन लगी कैसे बच्चों ताहे, गरीबदास गुप्तार गति हमको जो समझाए। स्वर्ग लोक बैकुंठे है या से परे ना ओरे, गरीबदास सठ शास्त्र और चार वेद की दौड़े।
What is said that there is a heaven, it is also called Vaikunt, which is called great heaven. There is no other world. Whatever description is there in 4 Vedas and 6 Shastra, there is no information in those Vedas beyond this. God said that you have not even read these Ved mantras. Vedas tell, enlightened saint tells the actual status of God. Swamiji, you did not even read Gita Ji chapter number 4 verse 34. It has been told in that the enlightened saint will tell the power of that God. So with this it is proved that you did not understand well the Vedas you read and By not understanding it correct, you had drawn its conclusion wrong. You have crammed Vedas. You have not understood your Vedas. You have told God to be formless, and God is told to be like humans. Manushyavat, Agne, Narvat, great Indra. God is like humans. Agne Tanur Asi, Vishvetva Somasi Tanur Asi. In the 5th chapter of Yajurved in 1st mantra. He has crammed it and he remembered the entire Sanskrit. God told the meaning. The screw got fixed in 2 minutes. The entire screen was reversed and it all became correct. Now what is said?
चार मुक्ति चितवन लगी कैसे बच्चों ताही गरीबदास गुप्तार भगति हमको दो समझाए नारद ब्रह्मा जिसे रटे और गाँव शेष गणेश रामानंद के बैकुंठ से और परे को देश.
We did not know that there is some place beyond this where birth and death ends.
शेष 88 जिसे जपे और 3300 से वे गरीबदास जासे परे और कौन है देव.
God whom 88,000 sages, 33 crore deities worship, we do not know well which God is superior than him. God says, Surjar Munjar 33 crore ye bande sabhi Kal ki dori. Oi hoy. All these are worshipping Kal. Now what is said?
सुध स्वामी निज मूल गति कै समझाऊं तो है गरीबदास इस भगवान को ये राख्या जगत समोहे.
This God Kal has hypnotized you all by giving false greed that he is your son, she is your daughter, this is your car, this is your bungalow, and tomorrow he does your death. He says, move ahead here, nothing is yours, everything is mine. Kal has done like this to fool you. He has hypnotized you.
तीन लोक के जीव सब विषय वासना भरमाए.
Kabir ji is saying,
गरीबदास हमको जपे तिसको धाम दिखाए.
God says creatures of 3 worlds are misled in vices. You have a vice within. You have a desire that I will go to heaven, will become deity, will enjoy, and then death will happen. That is not remembered. Then you will become a donkey. And it is said, I can show that world, that place, that God to one who chants me. Garib Das humko jape. Kabir Sahib is saying, who will worship me.
तिसको धाम दिखाए.
I will show the abode having gone where one does not come back.
जो देखेगा धाम को सो जानत है मुझे.
Whoever will see me there in Satlok will believe me. I am God. Kabir is God.
गरीबदास तो से कहूँ सुन गायत्री गुज.
I will tell you the summary, Swamiji, how much I may tell you, and you will not at all trust that I am God. When you will see my abode, Satlok, then you will believe me that I am God. Because you have understood the wrong definition of God. This Kal has told you the reverse knowledge. Then what is said?
कृष्ण विष्णु भगवान को ये जड़ाए हैं जीवे. गरीबदास त्रिलोक में ये काल कर्म शिरसी.
Your Krishan God Vishnu has made such a situation. Of all the creatures, what is the situation? By creating affection with each other, they are trapping you here. In Gita chapter number 14, verse number 1 to 5, it has been made clear, Kal has said from 3 to 5 that Prakriti is my wife, Durga, and I sow seed in her womb with whom all beings are created, and these 3 gunas, Rajguna Brahma, Satguna Vishnu, Tamguna Shiv, bind all these souls in body according to the deeds. Now, Kabirji is telling, Garib Das is portraying that
कृष्ण विष्णु भगवान को ये जड़ाए हैं जीवे. गरीबदास त्रिलोक में ये काल कर्म और सीवे. पौमी धरणी आकाश थंब ये चलसी चंद्र सूर्य.
the moon and sun will destroy.
गरीबदास रजबीरज की फिर कहाँ रहेगी धूरे. तारायण त्रिलोक सब ये चलसी इंद्र कुबेरे, गरीबदास सब जात हैं तेरे स्वर्ग पताल सुमेर।
Sumeru, the earth of gods, it is said it will also destroy.
चार मुक्ति बैकुंठ बटे फना हुई कई बारे।
Fana means it is destroyed. Do not know how many times has your Vaikunt and for liberation destroyed.
गरीबदास सतलोक को ना जाने संसारे।
This world does not know that Satlok.
कहो स्वामी की तरह होगे जब 14 भवन बिहंड।
When these 14 worlds will be destroyed, then where will you live?
गरीबदास बीजक कहा ये चले प्राण और पिंडे। सुन स्वामी एक शक्ति है अर्धंगी ओंकारे, गरीबदास बीजक कहा ये अंतलोक श्रृंगार। जैसे का तैसा रहे वो परलोफना प्राणे, गरीबदास उस शक्ति को हूँ बार बार कुर्बान।
Now it is said that it is a place where destruction never happens. It remains as it is, saluting it and accepting it. Now it is a very big description. Let's make it short. It's time now. Ramananji is listening still. He is poking nose somewhere. What does he say? Child, I meditate and my concentration reaches very far. God said, Swamiji, you concentrate once. And let's see till where do you reach. I will see till where is your reach. Now it was the practice he meditated. And it is said, Yog yukt pranayam kar jita sakal sharir. Ramananji.
त्रिवेणी के घाट में ये अटक रहे बलबीरे।
Moving ahead, Triveni, 3 paths are formed. And you are going alone into the jungle. If even 2 paths are there, then the person gets confused. And there are 3. Now he stood there. You cannot go beyond this till you die. They can reach till Triveni. God was seen along with one standing in front in the form of a 5-year-old child. And said, as it is discussed in dream, he said, Swamiji, this is your path. But now you cannot go. You will die, then you will go from this route towards the left one. And this front path goes to Brahmarand. It crosses the upper Brahmalok and goes ahead, and this is the left one. This goes towards the sages' side of Sumeru mountain. Your practice is that of Lord Vishnu. You will go in this tunnel. This is one cave ahead. Straight ahead of this cave inside all their cities, offices are made. First comes the world of Dharmraj. Of Chief Justice, he will decide how much are your virtues and how much are sins, where was your practice, in which world was your purpose. Then you will go ahead after getting your account done. Then you will go straight down to the world of Vishnu. Then that gate will close and you cannot come back. You will stay in Vishnuji's world, as will be your deeds. You will stay there till the duration of your virtues will remain then in 84 lakh life forms. And look, this is the path in front. You try to open with your mantra the path in front of Brahmarandra. This gate will not be opened by you, wall. Ramananji uttered all mantras, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Sita Sita, Radhe Radhe, Sham Nom Nom Bhagavate Vasudaya Nama. That path in front of Brahmarandra did not open. Then God said, shall I open? I have that mantra with which this path could open. God chanted Satnam inside and did not tell him. And the door immediately opened after chanting. Took the soul of Ramananji in the upper world. He showed him there that he is that formless whom you tell to be formless. He is sitting this Brahm. He eats 1 lakh human bodies every day. He is your God. He at times acquires the form of Shiv, sometimes acquires the form of his son Vishnu, at times he acquires the form of his son Brahmaji. He keeps the world confused and you are believing him to be God. Then God took the soul of Ramananji and reached Satlok, reaching Satlok, another form of God inside a very huge tomb, and there is the throne of God in the center in a very big tomb, and God is seated in the middle of it on a throne. There is crown on head. And God Kabir Ji, who went in a 5-year-old child form, there was a flabellum kept. He took that flabellum and started whisking on his second form. Now Ramanand Ji thought that he is that Paramakshar Brahma, immortal God, Uttam Purusha tu Anya hai. He is the one Uttam Purusha tu Anya, but this Kabir would be some servant of God here. He would be the servant. Swami Ji was thinking that in the meantime, that highly illuminating body stood up, and God Kabir, the 5-year-old child, sat on that throne, stood holding the whisk and started whisking on the 5-year-old child sitting on the throne. Now Ramanand Ji thought that this God is whisking on a 5-year-old child. It is not understood. In the meantime, that highly illuminating body that was standing, in whose one hair follicle had the brightness of crores of sun and crores of moon, this much is the radiance of Satpurush. That form got merged in the 5-year-old child's body and it disappeared. It got merged into it. And that God Kabir Ji of a 5-year-old child is seated on the throne of the controller of infinite universes. Oh. Now Ramanand Ji understood everything, that he is God, complete Brahma. He himself is Paramakshar Brahma in the form of Weaver, in the form of Kabir Weaver. Oi hoy, look how unfortunate I am. I kept arguing with God. Now God said that Swami Ji, go down, go below. There he saw all the comforts. Ramanand Ji requested God that is a dirty world. Do not send me there. God said that Swami Ji, if you are devotionless, come there. I will give you a mantra. You do devotion of Satnam, and the method that I will tell you of one breath of this Satnam, if you chant it with my order, my word, and will remain in rule, and it has so much value.
सतनाम पालड़े रंग होरी हो, 14 लोक चढ़ावे राम रंग होरी हो, 3 लोक पासंग धरे रंग होरी हो, तो ना तुले तुलाया राम रंग होरी हो.
Worship with true intention, remain in rules, and do not bother about the world. I will give you such a mantra, soon you will be a millionaire, soon you will be equipped with devotion, and go down. Now the soul of Ramanand Ji was sent back below. Immediately the concentration broke when he looked in front. The same 5-year-old child is sitting in front, who is seated on the throne in Satlok, complete God. Now Ramanand Ji, 104 years old with folded hands, was becoming a great sage. The whole world used to glorify. None is a scholar like him. With folded hands, he says in front of God Kabir that my wisdom was like a child in front of your knowledge. God, I was mistaken. What he said.
तहावा चित चक्रित भया जब देखा फजल दरबारे.
Fazal means he saw Satlok, the true court of that justice. There Ramanand's mind got surprised.
तहावा चित चक्रित भया देखा फजल दरबारे, गरीब दास सिजदा किया हम पाए दीदार. तुम स्वामी में बाल बुद्धि, भरम कर्म किए नासी, गरीब दास निज ब्रह्म तुम मेरे हो गया दृढ़ विश्वास.
तुम स्वामी में बाल बुद्धि, Ramanand Ji says, तुम मेरे मालिक. Guru, now Swami saying Swami to disciple. Truly,
तुम स्वामी में बाल बुद्धि, भरम कर्म किए नासे, गरीब दास निज ब्रह्म तुम मेरा हो गया दृढ़ विश्वास.
You only are that Brahma, you are Paramakshar Brahma, you are truly are the real God, you only are Uttam Purusha tu Anya hai, you are my Lord.
सुन बे सुन से तुम परे और उर से हमरे तीरे.
You are far from Sun Besun, there is Satlok, and you are sitting in front of us.
सुन बे सुन से तुम परे उरे से हमरे तीरे, गरीब दास सर्वंग में है अवगत पुरुष कबीर.
Your power is working in everyone. These Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, my Lord, are running with your power. Otherwise, they do not have any base.
कोट कोट सिजदा किया, कोट कोट प्रणाम, गरीबदास अनहद अदर, हम पर से तुम दाम.
It is said the real Anhad is sounding in Satlok. This is fake Anhad sound that we were listening here.
बोलत रामानंद जी सुनो कबीर करतारे, गरीबदास सब रूप में है तू ही बोलन हारे.
Meaning all these tape recorders are running with your power. These creatures are speaking.
तुम साहेब तुम संत हो, तुम सतगुरु तुम हंस, गरीबदास तुम रूप बिना और न दूजा अंश.
It is said, you are only God. Tum sahib, tum sant ho. The quality that should be in a saint, that is also in you. And you are Satguru. Means Jagat Guru, you are the provider of true knowledge, and you are Hans, meaning the quality that should be in a devotee, in a disciple, humbleness, politeness, and the intention to not accumulate. Almighty, all those qualities are in you.
तुम साहेब तुम संत हो, तुम सतगुरु तुम हंस, गरीबदास तेरे रूप बिना और न दूजा अंसे. मैं भक्ता मुक्ता भया,
मैं भक्ता mukta bhaya. I am your devotee. The old man of 104 years old was becoming great sage. He was praised. He had made 1400 disciples who were further propagating. There was uproar. Today there was God's grace on him. He was trapped in Kal's web. His worship was also wrong, becoming the agent of Kal. He was confusing others. He was becoming a sinner. From that day itself, Ramananji told everyone that I am not anyone's guru. And if you have to make a guru, then Brahmins make Kabir, we were your guru, else you will be destroyed. Now no one agrees with Ramananji that his wisdom has been stolen. He has gone mad in old age. Look, he tells the son of a weaver, God. And how will they agree? He's seeing with eyes. Oy hoy.
मैं भक्ता मुक्ता भया और किया कर्म कुंद नासे, गरीबदास अवगत मिल गए मेरी मिट गई मन की बांस.
The wandering of mind, all this rubbish is finished. There remain no doubt.
दो ठोड़ है एक तू, भया एक से दो हो, गरीबदास हम कारणे तुम आए हो मगजो.
He says, oh God, दोहू थोड़ में तू एक ही है.
दो ठोड़ है एक तू, भया एक से दो.
Garib Das means Ramananji is saying, Hum karne, aap utre ho magjo. You have come walking from there with speed, and our Lord, you have done our welfare.
बोलो सतगुरुदेव की जय हो.
The Supreme Father, complete Brahma, the creator of entire universes, Lord of the lineage, on the occasion of the arrival of Kabir Dev Ji on earth, on the occasion of God's arrival walking from Satlok, this 5 days satsang celebration is going on. It is your great fortune. There are a lot of your virtues that you are present in the spiritual discourse of God. You will get to hear Satyanarayan's story. You will feel that why were we living? What target did we make for living, and what purpose were we supposed to make? By coming into spiritual discourse, the creature knows due to the lack of satsang, this creature destroys his precious human birth. God Kabir Dev Ji himself, that complete Brahma Paramakshar Brahma, by coming has provided the real knowledge about creation created by him. By the true spiritual knowledge of that God, we got to know that we have been trapped in the web of Kal, whose hand is behind our death and giving birth to us. All this information has been provided to you by the true spiritual knowledge of God you are. Seeing that there is no home vacant where there are no problems, and by performing wrong practices, the ancestors of all have attained the life form of phantom or other animals, birds. The reason behind this is ignorance, fake gurus devoid of true spiritual knowledge. These saints who did not identify God, did not understand, did not even know the scriptures well. All these who are seated on the post of a guru, these spiritual teachers, spiritual preachers, and all these spiritual scriptures are the syllabus pious, 4 Vedas, pious Srimad Bhagavad Gita, pious 18 Puranas, pious Quran Sharif, pious Guru Granth Sahib, Holy Bible. All the present teachers of all religion could not understand these scriptures at all. And those great men who created these scriptures, even after that, there remained scarcity of ones who could understand them. You were listening in today's morning satsang that one great sage Ramananji, who was influential, was famous, who is the knower of 4 Vedas, is the knower of Puranas. He can tell the summary of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. He was famous all over India. He has made 1400 disciples who further used to propagate the conclusion drawn from scriptures by him when he got familiar with the actual knowledge of God. God, Kabir Dev Ji explained to him the real knowledge and showed him his Satlok and made him familiar with his capability. After that, Swami Ramanand Ji had said,
तुम स्वामी में बाल बुद्धि और कर्म भरम कियो नाश, गरीब दास निज ब्रह्म तुम, मेरा हो गया दृढ़ विश्वास.
Then that old man of 104 years had said that my knowledge is like that of a child. My target was only to go to heaven. The purpose was to go to heaven. And I used to consider Vishnu Ji as supreme power. My eyes are now open with your real knowledge, your true spiritual knowledge. After God's audience, Swami Ramanand Ji called his 1400 disciples and told them that from today onwards I am not your guru.
आप सुन रहे थे जगत गुरु तत्वदर्शी संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के मंगल प्रवचन. अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.jagatgururampalji.org. संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के शुभ आशीर्वाद से पूरे विश्व भर में 500 से भी ज्यादा नाम दीक्षा केंद्र हैं, जिन पर संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी द्वारा ऑनलाइन निशुल्क नाम दीक्षा दी जा रही है। अपने नजदीकी नाम दीक्षा केंद्र का पता करने के लिए संपर्क करें 8222880541।